Oh, best thing about owning an online business is the freedom that you get.
The thing that I see is the freedom.
I have the freedom.
It has given me freedom.
Is the freedom.
You really get to make the choice of where you want to spend your time on a daily basis.
Once you get your business rolling and there's a system, then I can wake up and see Groove sell. You've got a sale online, like while I slept.
I just love that if my grandchildren call me and say, Meme, can we Zoom? Can we do this? Can we do that? I can say yes and put my world on hold.
When my kids were growing up, I didn't have to ever ask for a day off when they had special things happening or they had that special event at school. I just went. Or you see their classmates looking for their parents and they're not there because they're working. You know, it gets me right here. At the same time, it makes me be grateful.
The business is the tool that helps us become free so that we can then begin focusing on those other things.
My wife and I, we sold everything that we have and we bought an RV. We travel full time now. It's not about the stuff, it's about the experience. And that's really, having an online business allows us to do that.
I can do when I want, what I want, and still help people. That's rewarding to me.
Well, my favorite thing is helping people. So my business philosophy is great content, that's one. Transform lives, that's two. Make money is three. My joy is when I get, if I get somebody that sends me an email or a text which says, Paul, you changed my life.
We've had students now hit the 6-figure marks in just selling Groove. I mean, you sell $100,000 worth of software, it's going to be life-changing for a lot of people, right? And to see some of those things because of Groove has been awesome. I've absolutely loved watching people just grow like that, and it's one of the things that one of the reasons why we do what we do.
Even if I can only impact one life, I know that I've made a difference.
To me, that's what gets me out of bed in the morning. That to me is the most important piece, is to help business owners to thrive.